Good morning. It's Monday. It's the 3rd. It's 7:30. Christopher and David are at Brian and Kathy's.
Taking a picture of yourself.
I'm talking to the camera.
Oh.
Giving it an update for the day. Do you have an update?
He's doing a video blog.
Yeah.
Oh, you
Yeah.
found the book that they did last year.
Yeah. I
she made
used.
it.
Everybody liked it.
Yeah. So I just talk to the camera and say like, "Hey, we're going to the barn," and I don't know what else.
So you'll be on social media.
And now that we have Wi-Fi here, you'll be able to see it on social media.
Yes, you can watch all my videos. All right, let's go.
Everybody should have looked at it.
And then the strawberry stand is going right now, so there's people self-picking strawberries. Grandpa's up there managing them. Matthew and I are going to go to the barn and grab some milk. Grab my boots. We're gonna grab some milk and we're gonna empty out the biodegradable trash. It's so nice out. Some pickers. Do you know where you're going? Good morning.
Are we awake?
Yep, we are. Hi guys. Good morning. Hi, baby. It's breakfast time. Thank you for the people that made this. Diane and Mom, did you? Nope, Diane. Thanks, Diane.
You're welcome.
James, is it good?
Are you recording this?
Yep.
The 50 states, that's the 50 stars stand for America. I'm proud to be an American.
Grandma,
Is this enough?
why are there no knock-knock jokes about America?
I don't know.
Because freedom rings.
Hardy har har
I
har.
read that stupid. Yeah, somebody parked it there.
You have to say hi to the camera.
Hello. Hello.
Don't get any crazy ideas, Grandma.
She's making a run for it while she can. Hello.
It says, who made all these trays? See, you're standing right in the way of me. Oh, hey! They probably saw me struggling with the box. How many trays do you think will make Grandma happy? 10?
Yeah, this should probably be good ones. Let's finish up this one. I've got that one.
So are these going to be for next year then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, if I'm brave enough, I keep this bed too.
Yeah?
And next year. Down and make sure my
Yep.
You kind of set them off like this,
Okay.
because sometimes I get them covered up. They're doing quite so good. When I get done taking all these things out, I work with oil like that.
Gotta pull some weeds.
Bump. James, was that amazing? What do you have to say?
That was amazing, and I'm tired.
Where'd it go? There it is. Whoa! Oh my goodness! Right into the trees! It's so successful. I almost fell right there. You want to keep going? Okay, so it's really windy today and I'm testing something out. I bought these like mic muffs on Amazon, but they don't really fit on my camera. But I just kind of cut it with scissors and taped it on unofficially, and we'll see how it works because it's really windy today. And I'm gonna finish pulling weeds, but I had to change out my camera battery. So we'll see. So my muff is like right in front of this viewfinder. So we'll see how it goes.
All right, Grandpa, I called them on up.
If anybody wants something to eat, I don't know whether you do it that way or not.
We kind of do.
You want us to eat lunch then?
Well, yeah, if you want to eat lunch, yeah.
That was the purpose of calling us? Yes.
Matthew's starting lunch right now, Dad.
Yeah.
Well, we're not done yet. But I guess Grandpa wants to make sure we all eat lunch. He's back there working. Saber! That's a
Could you put these on the table for me?
So much lunch.
We have that. There's salad.
Cover it.
It's supposed to help with the wing.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
But
All those pulling weeds.
Yeah.
But I was so happy to see the ones that they're picking this year because we worked on those last year, so we didn't kill them.
so Grandpa was refreshing my memory on what to do with it today. And later on he was like, did I ever talk to you about the stringers? I was like, yeah, I've been pulling them up, chopping them off. And he looked at me really serious. I was like, no. He's like, well, it's a good thing.
Sandwich has to last me the rest of the day.
Do you eat banana and peanut butter sandwiches?
Oh, I should eat one of those.
You want banana?
Yeah, those are going
Way past the
Oh, Grandpa, those bananas are perfect for you.
Look, there's a perfect banana for you. You really like them like that?
Oh, that's when they're good. Yeah,
Well,
the rest
then-
of the time they're no good.
These two are feeling firm. That one's a little soggy in the middle.
He wants crunchy now.
And then you bread. And then you jelly.
He needs it all. Right?
That's what James said.
Plexus.
Have fun, James. Good shopping. Do you need anything?
Grocery shopping. It's a fun business. Cream. Two? Yeah.
Best.
You got the dented ones.
Oh my God.
I saw him at the store. He's up by the front.
Oh.
He's like, yeah, they haven't even realized I'm here yet.
Why are you here?
I came to say hi to him and
Oh, you're so. There we go. Saw you in the store. We're gonna have to hunt him down, I guess. Is that everything?
I think.
That better be. Look at that cart.
Where have I been? I've been in the back room watching you guys walking around the store.
Before that.
Before that, I've been here all day. And then I've gone to Maine over the weekend.
Today. After the last one. It is now green, it says. And the house that was on the corner is no longer there.
Let me get the door for you. Thanks. Oh, nice.
I'm talking to myself.
We're looking for coriander. Right there. Just like. Do you know how much it was? For this?
Oh no.
It's a lot.
How much?
26 cents. I know, I took it out of my own money, so.
Thank you.
I took a
I
cut.
owe you big time.
Took a cut for the grocery bill.
Yeah, I took one for the team.
Yep.
You go, girl.
Uh,
That was great.
this is a sight to be seen.
Repairing your house.
Is it double or sandwich double?
You keep your card.
Oh, okay.
Pick on.
You keep your card. I was just like waiting for the king to flop over.
You can take it.
No. It's too late.
Oh, he's back.
Oh my God.
Come back, kid.
Ooh.
Oh. And it's over. Cindy, how do you feel now that you won?
Feel
Satisfied?
I am the victor.
Shots.
No. This is yours, right? He would not. He got shocked. Oh.
The whole thing?
I don't know where that came from. Probably from the leather factory.
What did you do?
Okay, now Matthew, you have to try making one of us laugh. Not just me. I have to try making almost any. No, don't going. What do you call a bear with no ears?
A bear with no ears? A no-eared bear.
Earless bear.
Oh, so close.
What do you call someone with no hair?
Bald.
Yes. What do you call a ship with no bow? That's a riddle. A what?
A sinking ship.
Well, that probably would be true because without the bow, it could get a hole.
True.
So is that the right answer?
Would it be shipwreck?
Yes.
Oh.
You should be
What
proud.
do you call someone without a booger?
What?
What do you call someone without a
Everyone
booger?
had. That's nice.
Okay, never mind. Everyone has boogers in their nose.
So it's not a
No, here's one. What do you call an
Oh, wait, there's
iceberg with
more.
no ice?
A bird.
water.
Yes. Bird.
Oh, bird.
Bird.
Who knew?